Good evening, you're watching Everything Weapons. Welcome back to another video. Today we have quick, exciting news as the French order FN Envolys machine guns. And I'm reading from the Firearm blog. Once again, all credit to Matthew Moss, But this week at the Eurosatory Defense Expo in Paris, France, the French government signed an agreement to procure the FN Envolys lightweight machine gun. While the full details of the procurement are yet to be revealed, a contract adjustment will see France procure up to 5,000 e-volleys, as well as a quantity of ammunition. This represents the first major contract for e-volleys. Belgian's defense minister, Theo Franken, shared the news on his social media pages earlier today, announcing, quote, excellent news for our defense industry at hashtag Eurosatori 2026. In the presence of the French Minister of Defense, Vautrin, FN has received a major order of 5,000 e-volleys machine guns and ammunition for the French army, unquote. Fraken concluded, this prestigious order confirms FN's excellent and further strengthens its position as a reference in Europe. And on LinkedIn, FN Herstal's CEO, Julien Campier, celebrated the order, writing, quote, in the presence of the Minister of the Armed Forces, Catherine Vautrin, and Minister Theo F., the signing of an order for the acquisition of several thousand machine guns of FN e-volley for the benefit of the French army. Now, La Sueur reports that an initial order for 2,000 guns covers a mix of e-volleys and Mark III mini-mes. FN confirmed to us that the agreement is for the supply of FN e-volleys 5.56 and 7.62 and FN mini-me 7.62, as well as 5.56 and 7.62 ammo. France has been circling an e-volleys procurement for some time, with evaluations beginning several years ago, and as a result, French troops have already been photographed with e-volleys. Now, as Eurosatory opened this year in 2026 on June 15th, it was noted also that e-volleys appeared in the official display of France's Directorate General of Armaments stand in their close combat display. Now, FN unveiled the e-volleys in 2021, and TFB got an early look at the weapon, often described as a lightweight assaulter's machine gun, and the e-volleys, available in both 5.56 and 7.62, weighs about 5.5 to 6 kgs. For our American friends, that's about 12 to 13 pounds unloaded and without accessories. So, with a giant magazine, box, belt, and accessories, you're looking at about 15 pounds maybe. But for FN, a key focus during the development of the weapon was weight and maneuverability. It has a full-length top rail and a side-mounted, self-correcting lateral feed system. The e-volleys platform has undergone some evolution since its launch, with 6.5 millimeters Creedmoor and 6.5 millimeter LICC chamberings developed for specialist customers, and in 2024 some ergonomic changes also were introduced. So once again, all credit to the Firearm blog and Matthew Moss. So thank you very much, Firearm blog, for giving us really good daily gun news. Thank you guys very much for watching. And these machine guns look awesome. I love the design. I love the cutouts near the barrel, and they look very reliable and good. So it looks like the French have some new Belgian machine guns. So I appreciate it. Drop a like, a thumbs up, helps me out a lot. Subscribe, ring the bell, that way you guys don't miss any future videos that I post and you actually receive a text notification. That way you know when I upload. And also type as a comment of what you think about the FN Evoli machine guns. And until next time, I will see you later.